Alrighty, Kurt, here's your 408 small block Ford. Your description is a combination. Set of bar ass cast heads. It's EFI, got the Pro-Am manifold on it. Holley throttle body. Custom grind hydraulic roller. We kind of tamed this one down. You want it to idle a lot better for you, so we changed that around for you. First sump oil pan. When we make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 494 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 497, good and flat in there. Peak horsepower 460, rate of 450, so even taking the cam out still runs really good. So what we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. See if your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff, highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look anything up for you. Flip it over, you'll have a QR code. There again, it'll take you to some more tech stuff. So really recommend watching all this stuff. Have a great day.